Hello.
小一点的轮子。
Yeah. Hello, it's
14寸。
This is another model on the electric dirt bike. It's hub motor on 2000 watts, and on this model, the wheel is smaller, 14 inch. So now I'm trying to testing the climbing capacity, and my body weight is 65 kilogram. And here the degree is climbing degree is 25 degrees. Okay, let's go. The first time I just one time going up there, and the second time I will stop in the middle.
Yes.
And I stop here without a rush, not rush on the small hill, okay? Not rush on the hill, just from statics and go.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Okay, go. Very easy. Okay. So one more time. Okay. When I rush in the top,
佢講咧，佢係就同我望下。
正常嘅，你家攞份嘅，呢係同
Okay.
擺啊。
so now the
Second.
second time I will start in the middle.
Okay.
你拉龍沙派佢。
誒，我落嗰排吧。
When I rush in the top, I have to stop because there is a tree there block my way. Now I stop in the middle.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I stop here,
Okay.
and you can come here. You can come here.
哎呦 I won't sit behind you.
No problem. I think this side you can see.
My sister coming.
You can see, you know. 你可以站起一下，没事的。
没有这样更真实。
OK.
老外看到又在那里笑了。
你確定沒事爬得上去嗎？
Yeah, let me try, you know, with a passenger. Okay, Emily is behind me.
It's dangerous.
Emily.
Can be also. Can be also, but the road here is too much narrow, you know. I have to stop here, but it can be. No problem. I try one more time. So let's see, sir. I just stop here, okay? One more time. See? Can be. 可以了，小心一点啊，抓住我，好了。
好了。